Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add flash effect to your video in CapCut. So usually I use the white image and to make a flash effect out manually in CapCut, but now CapCut has already provide you with the flash effect that you can find in the video effects. So in here you can just find it on the light tab, this one's right here. Then you'll see there are three options for flash 1, flash 2, and also flashes. You can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I want to use the flash 2 here. You can also adjust the intensity and also the filter of the flash effect. And after you're done, you can just click on the check icon, then adjust how much you want the flash effect to last in your video. And here is the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.